Hello friends. So just today I am going to discuss how to write Fibonacci numbers in Pythons. So now first we can describe here Fibonacci numbers means like it is a mathematical numbers. So first we can add it can start from the 0 plus 1, then again 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 1, then 1 plus 1 means 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus uh, 2 means 5, 5 plus means similarly the next numbers will be added in the previous numbers. So these are called a Fibonacci number, and this is the most like of the natural things has been given according to the Fibonacci numbers. So need to the learn, this is the important part. So let's see the how do I write. So first I am going to the describe here. So define def and fi Fibonacci f from fib, and now I am going to intimate here n and colon, right? And then we can assume the two variables. One is the a, you can take also x and y, no problem, and b equal to 0 comma 1, right? And then I am using a loop, just we have already discussed while for. Okay, so I am going to use here while a is less than b, n, because I have taken the whole number is totally the n. So now I write here n and colon, and then we can go the print a comma and to start here bracket semicolon, and you can give a gap here because the numbers will be separated. And now you can go a comma b and will equal to a comma a plus b, and then write here the print b here, then write the print here print and parenthesis, then here then parenthesis, so I need to write here this one is a print and parenthesis, and then write the Fibonacci FIB, and need to write the 1000 till 1000. So I try here, I think print should be here. So look here, print can go back, and Fibonacci must be, because no intended right here. So I think I am getting some mistakes from 0 0. So don't worry, you stop here, stop. Okay, so I think end I have mentioned the print end, and while I have written there, and print I think here should be the single, bracket is right, but what happens I don't have any idea. A comma b I have written b comma, oh so b should be here, so b here. Now let's start here. Okay, now the start here this value, and we need to give a gaps here, and then we can go here 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the way to write a Fibonacci numbers, and this is the best way we can learn here. Thank you.